Hello, this is Stevenflow, one of the teachers here at the guitar store in Seattle, Washington. And today is the second part in my series on intervals. Today we're going to be talking about thirds. What's a third?
What's a third?
I'll tell you.
Tell me.
It's more than a second, right? I'm going to start here on the 5th fret. If I go up 1, 2, 3 frets, that's what we call a minor third. If I go up one more fret, that's a major third. Typically, these tend to sound sad for a minor third and happy with a major third. So you hear that in a minor chord versus a major chord.
Sorry about this. I know it's a bit silly.
Here's a song by Led Zeppelin that uses the minor third. So just imagine if that song used a major third instead of. Totally changes it, right? Sounds kind of silly. It's terrible. It's happy, right?
Just a moment.
Here's a song that uses a major third. Here's that song with a minor third. Totally different. So here's a couple of easy ways you can incorporate these two different kinds of thirds in your playing. This note right here is a minor third. So you can simply raise that one note up and you'll get a major sound. Let's say I'm in minor pentatonic.
It's puzzling.
If you'd like to know more about minor thirds or major thirds, come see me, Stevenflow, the best guitar teacher at the guitar store.
Teacher's tips!
This conversation can serve no purpose anymore.